Hello everyone, welcome back to the videos. It's fantastic to have you here as always. So today I wanted to make a small little video working on the wife's nugget. When we brought it, it's got a bit of paint fade on this side, so I just wanted to go and show you guys sort of quickly what and how I go about fixing it. Looks like someone's run sauce or something up the side of this car, so I gotta get rid of that. But yeah, first things first, I need to go and give the car a wash. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'll give it a quick sort of a wash, get all the sort of loose dirt off of it. But you're only going to need a few bits and pieces to do this. First of all, a bucket, a couple of sponges, some shampoo and a chamois. You'll need some sort of polish. I have this bottle from when we were painting the Commodore. It's a fairly decent brand and size. It's a finishing polish, so it'll remove any sort of light scratches. I like to use foam pads. These are pretty inexpensive, and just a polisher of some sort. I like the 9-inch style. This isn't a dual action. Unfortunately, they're very expensive. This is just a super cheap special. You can use those two-handled jobbies. They still work just as well. But you need some sort of machine polisher to do a good enough job to where you're going to be happy with it. So that combined with a hose with some water should be able to get this job done. So I'm going to go ahead and give this thing a wash, and then I'll give you guys a rundown of the damage and how I'm going to go about fixing it. So here we go, got it all nice and washed. But yeah, when we brought the car, it of course the sun goes away now. It had this this sort of paint fade going on these few panels, like here on the door. It's just on the top of the door basically. If you come down a bit, it looks pretty good. But just up there, it's all faded. A little bit around the back door handle here. Yeah, what I think has happened is it's just been sort of stored in a carport or something, and this side has just been sun baked its whole life. So it's got a bit on the fender there, on the driver's door and the rear door there. For some reason the rear quarter is good. It must have been repainted fairly recently, just before we brought it. But yeah, my job and goal for today, I'm going to give it a quick polish. Hopefully there's enough paint or clear there. Like, I don't think it's gone down far enough into the colour itself. I'm pretty sure it's just in the clear coat. So a nice machine polish should bring the whole side of the car back up to a nice finish. So that's my job for today. I'll get you guys set up on the tripod, and the headlights of course need a go over. So I'll hit up both of the headlights as well while I'm at it. And try and get this thing looking a bit better. I'm going to go ahead, I'll get you guys set up on a tripod. I'm going to go ahead and start with the panel, I guess with the quarter here. I'm just going to go slow to start with, make sure that there's enough paint, and then it's going to polish up alright, and then I'll work my way back to the two doors, and then I'll give you guys a comparison of before and after. So I've just gone and put a bit of water on the panel because the sun is out and it's pretty bright at the moment. I like to go ahead and put my compound on the sponge itself, and then just sort of rub it over the panel where I'm going to be polishing. And like I said, I'm going to start off slow. So a few fresh microfibers. Yeah, it's come up much better. I'll give it another hose and wash off later. I just wanted to make sure that for the most part all that stuff was gone. Looks like I've gone and scratched it a bit there. So a bit more polish. Alright, well there you have it. This is where I'm going to end it. It came out pretty good. I'm pretty happy with it. Much better than what it was. I'll throw up some videos here of what it was. There's still a little bit left. on the top of the front fender, but yeah, compared to that, like, it was fairly well faded, and it was mostly just on that top of that seam. But yeah, I mean, I'm by no means a professional. I did start doing a traineeship in car detailing, as that was one of my first jobs, but I never really went too far with it, so I've never really been taught like buffing, polishing and all that sort of stuff. I just sort of picked up these bits and pieces along the way. But yeah. Yeah, anyway, I'm pretty happy with the way it came out. Like I said, I'm no professional, as you can see. There's some swirls in the bottom of the door. I'm pretty sure, I mean, as you can see, I'm no professional. There's still some swirls in the bottom of the door there. I'm pretty sure that was from the chamois, because I was cleaning it all off. But it's all nice and shiny again, no more paint fade. The rest of the car was pretty good, except some, I don't even know the sort of word I could use. Some mutt of a human has gone and run some sort of nail polish the entire length of the car. I started to wet sand it out, but I only have 3000 grit sandpaper here at the moment, and it was taking forever, so I quickly repolished it, and I'll go and wet sand all that off and polish it back up. The headlights came out awesome. I'm really happy with the way the Dave came out. I think I damaged this bumper bar here, but the headlights, they both look almost new again. And I mean, these really don't take that much effort at all to fix up. But yeah, you can still see. You can still see. Just there. There's still a bit of fading here across the top. I just need to get a bit more aggressive there, but I know it'll come out with another polish. But yeah, pretty sure all these swirls you're seeing are from the damn chamois. It's a shame, it's repainted. But yeah, anyway, I'm going to leave it here for this video. I want to thank you all for watching. Please leave a like, comment and share a video. Don't forget to head over to the website, either grab yourself some merch or have a look at some of the photos. I might take some photos of this and put the photos up on the website as well. But yeah, anyway, that's going to be it from me. Thank you all again for watching. Back to usual viewing with the B-Mag W. I'm really excited to get stuck into that and get the motor into the car and get it ready to get fired up and get it running, go racing. But yeah, anyway, thank you all for watching. I'll see you guys in that video. Bye bye.